everybody, I'm Lego Separate and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And I'm still a little bit sniffly today after the cold I've been having for quite some time now. But that's not relevant at all now because today we're going to be building this fountain for a centerpiece. In a city, I suppose. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock! Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with a 6x6 standard base plate. I'm using green to reverse grass, and a 4x4 standard base plate, just well, not standard because it's round. A round base plate and just stick it on top there. We're gonna have this later, but first we're gonna bring in a slightly bigger round base plate. This is the 6x6 version in grey. We're gonna turn it over now because we're gonna be using these lengthened inverted roof tiles, 4 of them, and these are gonna be slightly sticking out. Can't find a formal way of sticking out, but they're gonna be in this kind of X or cross formation, and in the spaces here on the edges we're gonna be using 4 of these grey tubular pieces. They're rolling everywhere. Oh, catch them if you can. We're just gonna stick them into the holes here to give it, well, just a bit of style, like so. Hold it up. There's construction. We're going to bring back our base plate, and we're going to stick this, well, preferably in the middle. If I can find the middle. Where's the middle? There we go. There's the middle. And round to stop the water flowing everywhere, we will need these round corner pieces. These large ones fit perfectly around this large base plate, but I could only find them in white. But then again, color isn't important. You could use whatever color you like. You can find. Now for a bit of decoration around here, we will be needing these base plates, no, jumper plates, and also you can attach some decoration there if you like, but I'm not going to the extent of doing it. You can do it if you like, and just little round studs for the decoration around these points over here. The decoration is flexible, you can do whatever you like. Now for the center, we're going to be using a round brick, and a round brick just ribbed, and we're going to fill the fountain with water. Now you could use just base plates to make it blue, but I'm going to be using these translucent studs, and I've got about 16 of them in light blue and about 6 in white, and I'm just going to try and pick them up and just splash them in, literally. They're getting everywhere. This is the kind of fiddly bit, especially if you have to pick them off a table, but it will give you this really nice wishy-washy effect. Now all that's left is a basin. You don't have to use that though, I'm just using it for the top. A round brick, and this kind of special drone piece on top, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our fountain is complete. I would definitely suggest you using not this fountain, any fountain that you can make. It really adds the kind of masterpiece to a town square, a city square, and we always like water. And this water technique with the studs you can use also if in your ocean, if you have enough, or in ponds, or anywhere, especially if you don't have watercolored base plates. And well, you could try doing some statues, some small statues around as well. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that's inspired you, and until next time, happy building!